If your Sony Bravia Google TV has a different system and menu language, such as Japanese, Chinese, Spanish, and you can't change it, then let me show you how to change the display language back to English on your Sony 4K Smart TV. You can follow this process no matter which language you are currently on. Start by opening the quick panel by long pressing on the home button. After that, press OK on the settings icon. Then from the list, go down and stop at this display icon. On the right hand side, you should see language and Gboard, which means we are in the right place. So let's open it and then make your way down to where it says language, and this is our language list. So now you can change your Sony Smart TV's language back to English or any other language that you prefer. So this is how you can change the system language of your Sony Bravia Smart TV. Hope this helped. Make sure to hit that like button, follow us by subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.